So for the record, what I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to make sure that all your machines work together flawlessly with each other. So let me introduce you guys the small jumps concept. So we're making a very small jump from skin to trimmer, a very small jump from trimmer to clipper, very small jump throughout my guard process. I like to use 2 different pairs of shears at a minimum. One shear is going to be my shorter shear. The small shear is going to be perfect for cutting the top, any type of finger and shear work. So whenever I'm working on the top of somebody's hair, I do not want to have a giant pair of shears to work with. Whenever I go to put my stuff away, in any case, on it, I always throw a clipper guard on it because this guard is going to prevent it from getting knocked around, and that'll stop it from getting damaged, hopefully, if it bumps into anything else in my bag. Mainly, I just use 2 combs. One is a clipper comb. I'm going to use this for blending. I'm going to use this for clipper over comb. I'm going to use this for shear over comb. And the second comb that I'm going to use is my taper comb. My taper comb is going to give me all kinds of control.